Use about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of liquid soap to help unclog a toilet. Start by turning off the water supply at the shutoff valve to avoid overflow. Then remove excess water from the bowl with a small cup or container so the soap will concentrate on the clog. Pour a 1/4 cup of liquid dish soap if the clog is recent or likely to be organic, and use up to a 1/2 cup for thicker blockages or if there is greasy residue. Allow the soap to sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes so it can lubricate the trap and loosen solids. If the bowl is nearly empty, add a little warm water from a kettle or pitcher so the soap can mix and flow toward the clog, but never pour boiling water because extreme heat can crack porcelain or damage seals. After waiting, try a slow, steady flush and follow with gentle plunging using a flange plunger for toilets. Maintaining a tight seal and using long controlled strokes rather than rapid jerks. If plunging fails, use a toilet auger with a curved head to feed past the trap and rotate clockwise to pull or break the obstruction while protecting the bowl finish with a cloth wrapped over the auger end. If the clog is caused by non-organic materials or remains stubborn after these steps, stop and move to mechanical removal or call a plumber to avoid pushing the obstruction deeper. Common mistakes include using too much soap or other chemicals, which can create excessive suds and overflow, so stick to the 1/4 to 1/2 cup guideline and add warm water only as directed. Another issue is relying on forceful plunging without a proper flange plunger, which can damage the bowl rim or fail to form a seal, so switch to the correct plunger type and use steady strokes. A third frequent concern is pouring boiling water that can crack porcelain or harm toilet seals, so use warm but not boiling water, and if in doubt, skip the heat and rely on soap plus mechanical methods. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find local contractors and let contractors find work through our listings. We also host a discussion community on the site where users and professionals exchange practical tips and ask follow-up questions about projects.